2010 TL1055. Three booms on it. Outriggers. Good tires. This is the plate, but we do have the bin. Just had a newly installed seat put in it. Right at 16,750 on the hours. All the lights work. No cracking there on the boom. Crack right around here. No cracking. A little bit of damage on the exhaust, not a big deal. New rim and tire here. Cat C4. Not a Perkins. New transmission valve. Just added on. Runs clean. It is a Cat motor, not a Perkins. No damage here on this outside fiberglass cover. Good shape. All the cylinders are clean. There's no leaking from any of the cylinders. Just put our new fork rod on. Forks were just reinstalled. Does have hydraulic tilt. No quick connect. Again, no leaking from here. The cylinder. Does have crab walk, frame tilt, all the functions. Does have Outriggers hydraulics to run the boom in the front. If you have a, oh no, excuse me. This one does not have Outriggers hydraulics, but it is plumbed to run them. It's not installed. So if you want Outriggers hydraulics, you can put those on. Nice little 10K lift, TL1055, clean running unit. Starts right up, has no issues. Just had a Cat come out and do transmission work. So transmission's in good shape. Also may have a Cat report. Can't promise that, but we may have one for that as well. So give us a call if you're interested. 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ Deals. Thank you.